Cost of hair transplant is one of the most common questions that we get. Hi, I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi, Medical Director and founder of Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration. Cost of hair transplant is one of the most common questions that we get. It has to do with obviously the area of hair loss. So the more hair grafts we're implanting, the more time you need for procedure and the more costly the procedure becomes. If you have just a limited hair loss, your need is very minimal. If you have a big area to cover, you have a big number of grafts, the cost is usually calculated per number of grafts. So it could be like $8 per graft for certain procedures. For certain procedures, it could be more, like celebrity hair transplant. And if you don't want to have any hair shaven or cut on the back, you probably have to pay a little more just for not shaving.